Back, check out this 1970 Plymouth Superbird. This is a pretty cool car. Been all restored. Got the build sheet marks all over it from the seats. Pretty cool stuff. This one's real pretty. Got the old Coyote in the back. I don't see his Roadrunner, but pistol grip, 3-pedal solution, 150 on that dash. Got the nice tack.
Did you not pay him? I gave
Very
you
clean car.
Specific instructions when you got home and you didn't follow them.
Did you give me any money?
Well, no, I'm going out. No.
Nice.
Well, I need the money. Well, now I'm going to borrow the money you brought with you so that I can shop more away. I should actually.
These things are pricey little cars nowadays.
No, they want to go tonight.
Don't know where that come from. It said it's something on there where somebody that restored it. Very nice looking though.
You guys? Hey. All right.
Seattle, go Seattle. Hey, go Seattle.
Somebody rear-ended her at a stop sign, at
Be
a
a good
stoplight
game.
on Highway 9, or sorry, downtown.
Yep, this is a 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner on steroids. Thanks for looking. Have a good one.